Anthropology is the discipline that studies human beings in different historical moments and geographical contexts. The branches of anthropology are archaeology, physical and biological anthropology, linguistic anthropology, and sociocultural anthropology. Anthropology was born during the 19th century, when Europeans wanted to study human beings who were different. Ethnocentrism is the tendency to evaluate other cultures taking one's own as a reference. Cultural relativism is the tendency to evaluate each culture on its own, independently. For example, when a scientist goes to an isolated tribe in the jungle and studies their culture to see how and why they act the way they do. Economy is a social science that studies the processes of extraction, production, exchange, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Economy also refers to the way in which resources, especially those in shortage, are managed in a competent and appropriate manner. Also, it helps us define the rules of exchange of products and services. Based on the needs of individuals and communities, it helps us decide the goods or services to be produced, price to be given, as well as to observe the competitive behavior. Human geography is the branch of the social sciences that deals with the world, its relations with human beings and different environmental factors, and all of the effects the populations have over the planet. This branch attempts to understand people not only within a society, but within a determined environment. For example, people in India are having a huge population growth, while in other places like Europe, the population growth is decreasing. This may be influenced by many different regional factors. In Europe, people have a lot of money and want less kids so they can spend the money on themselves. Meanwhile, in India, most of the people are poor and have a lot of kids because there is not enough birth control. Psychology is the science of conduct, mental processes, and behavior of human beings. As human beings, we undergo a series of problems that impact us mentally and emotionally, and we need to interpret how they affect us and what consequences they can have on us, so that we can find a way to solve them. For example, the majority of teenagers go through tons of tasks that they have to do or to fulfill the society expects.
Political science is the study of politics and all of its elements. The goal of this social science is to establish general political principles. The origins of political science began between 384 BC and 322 BC, when Aristotle developed the number of ruling people, one or many, and the legitimacy of the government and its interests. Like many social sciences, there are many branches to political science, including domestic politics, comparative politics. Sociology is the study of social groups, structures, processes, institutions, and events. It is used to understand each one of us by looking into the complexities of our society. This social science mostly focuses on individuals or groups of individuals, like religious groups or sports teams. The major sociological traditions include methodological individualism, holism, functionalism, structuralism, and interactionism. Each one of these traditions focuses on specific points in order to understand our societies. The social science history is a true story of something that happened long ago and is retold in the present. It consists of studying past events of a nation, people, and societies. There are many branches of history, including art history, political history, and world history. But of course, there are more. Examples of history can include investigations on a certain event or even how a painting came to be. The people who dedicate themselves to history are called historians. Their job focuses on the investigation, education, administration, and management of historic files in order to understand human beings of past ages.
Created using Powtoon.